Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto calculation or manual calculation in a particular sheet in Microsoft Excel. All you have to do now, you can open your Microsoft Excel app. So you can open by Microsoft Office, or right now I'm using Microsoft 365 Copilot. So here we go, search for Excel, this one, let's open it. And here we go. So here you can try to find the formulas. So you can click the formulas, and under the formulas there is a like tool or option bar, and try to find calculate workbook and calculate option. Here by default calculation option is automatic. So here, in order to make it manual, just click this arrow, and here we go, you can click manual. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.